Did you know? Temperature of lightning is 29,730 degrees centigrade, and the temperature of sun is 5,505 degrees centigrade, which is almost more than 5 times of sun. The only part of the body that has no blood is the cornea of the eye. It receives oxygen directly from the air. Due to bad effects of water bottle on Earth, group of scientists had invented a new way to store water. It is water bubble ovu. Just put it in the mouth, it will become water. Now say bye to water bottles. This is the future of drinking water. Bhutan is the only country in the world which never faced water crisis, food crisis, air pollution or water pollution. In fact, it is the only carbon-negative country in the world where it absorbs more carbon dioxide than it actually produces. Do you know? Humans has just explored 5% of the ocean in the world. Some of the marine biologist claims that there are some aquatic animals which are 5 to 6 times larger than blue whales. If you stare at the X in this image for 10 to 20 seconds, the colors will disappear automatically. It's due to a principle called Troxler fading. The Japanese stationery company Clear Radar developed transparent eraser to let you see what you are erasing. If you remove first letter of empty, it's pronounced the same way. If you remove the last letter, it's still the same, and even if you go on to remove all the first, third and last letters, you'll still be left with Montana. And if you remove every letter, it is still empty. According to the NASA, the speed of Earth rotation is gradually slowing, and it's happening at a rate of 1.4 milliseconds per 100 years. You may think it's not a big deal. But if you add up that small discrepancy every day for years and years, it can make a very big difference indeed. At this speed, the day may become 25 hours after 140 million years. Did you know? In rare cases, it's possible for a woman to become pregnant while she's already pregnant. In 1976, a Princeton junior undergraduate wrote a term paper on how to make a nuclear bomb. He got an A, but never got his paper back because it was seized by the FBI. Meet Rainy Gardner. He set the record for the longest period without sleep. 11 days and 25 minutes. Did you know? Having sex once or twice a week has been proven to boost your immune system to help fight colds and the flu. Do you know? The Egyptian city named Thanis was discovered underwater in 2013 after being lost for 1,200 years in the Mediterranean Sea. In 2018, a bag of 54 severed human hams was found in Siberia. Did you know? Scientists had developed microparticles filled with oxygen. These microparticles can be injected into the bloodstream, and we can live without breathing for several hours. That's no moon. It's a Tokyo 2020 drone display. 1,824 drones used to light up the sky above the Olympic Stadium. My father said there were 2 kinds of people in the world, givers and takers. The takers may eat better, but the givers sleep better. Did you know? What do blind people dream? Blind person experiences more sensations of sound, touch, taste, and smell than sighted people do. So they dream about these sensations. Blind people experience more dreams about movement or travel and more nightmares. Did you know? Impalement is one of the most torturous punishments in history. It is the penetration of a human by an object such as a stake, pole, spear, or hook, often by the complete or partial perforation of the torso. The earliest known use of impalement was in 1772 BC. Do you know? YouTube creates new award for T-Series, Mr. Beast and PewDiePie for reaching 100M subs. The Red Diamond Award is named after one of the rarest colors of diamonds. Do you know? In Istanbul, because of the strict winter, street dogs were allowed to enter the malls. Even people dropped covers and food for them. When you transport something by car, it's called a shipment, but when you transport something by ship, it's called cargo. Nagasaki wasn't the actual target for the second atomic bomb in Japan. It was Kokura City. But when the bombers arrived, their view was blocked by a cloud, and thus they went for Nagasaki. When a person dies, they have a brain activity of 7 minutes left in which they are able to see their memories in a dream-like a sequence. A molecule found in a Himalayan fungus could be the breakthrough for cancer patients. This molecule kills cancer cells with 40 times the potency. Never believe the lines on your hands that predict your future. Because people who don't have hands also have future. Believe in yourself. In 2014, when Jackie Chan's son was arrested in drug case, he publicly apologized. He said, "I'm ashamed of son's act, this is my failure and will not intervene to protect him." This is how son looks when you take pictures at same time and same place every week for a year. This is called analemma. Did you know? People who look younger than their age live longer. If you leave Earth at age of 15 in a spaceship at speed of light and spends 5 years in space, when you get back on Earth you will 20 years old. But all of your friends who were 15 when you left will be 65 years old at that time.